In this video, we are going to talk about how to make money with affiliate marketing. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for future updates. Affiliate marketing is one technique to generate money passively from the internet or social media. After the first job, you can sit back and watch the money pour in. Why is affiliate marketing so appealing? But keep in mind that affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Building an affiliate marketing business takes time and effort before you earn a dollar. However, affiliate marketing has the potential to pay off. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing rewards you with a portion of the sales you help make. When you write or speak about a product or service online or on social media, and someone buys it through an affiliate link, you get a commission. Assume you've discovered a product that will help your blog's viewers. You can include an affiliate link in your blog post. Your viewers can then click the link to be transported to a page on the affiliate's website and make a purchase. When someone buys a product via your link, you get a cut of the sale. Affiliate programs are available for everything from fun cookbooks to financial products. There may be an affiliate link for whatever your audience requires. The beauty is that you may earn money while providing valuable information to your viewers. Is it possible to earn real money through affiliate marketing? If you are new to affiliate marketing, it may seem impossible to earn a living from it. Earning real money and eventually, a full-time income with affiliate marketing is absolutely achievable. It's a very easy process. Many are scared to begin because it appears daunting. Don't be that person. Instead, when you embark on this journey, study everything you can about it. It is crucial to recognize that earning money with affiliate marketing is doable but not easy. Building a profitable affiliate marketing website will take time and effort. Before you can refine your affiliate marketing plan, you must first create an audience and acquire their trust. How to get started with affiliate marketing? The first step is to learn everything you can about affiliate marketing. To establish an audience, you must first choose a specialty. If you pick anything too broad, you'll have trouble finding affiliate items that appeal to your fans. Assume you want to start a running blog. There are thousands, if not millions, of blogs. To reach passionate readers who will engage with your blog, you need to target women over 40 who are new to running. Then keep it in mind while you explore affiliate opportunities. You can't market to those who don't understand. For example, if you are creating a healthy lifestyle website like Well Kept Body, you would not choose to promote a magic diet pill to your audience. Avoid promoting unhelpful products to your audience. Build an audience. No one will buy a product from you if you don't have any followers. You can't earn a commission without that link. Don't worry if you don't have an audience. It's possible to create an audience from scratch. First, decide where you want to create your audience. You can start a blog, a social media account, a podcast, or a YouTube channel. Great content is the key to internet success. You can do everything perfectly, but mediocre material will hinder your progress. Ashley Barnett's course, Hit Publish, can teach you how to produce fantastic articles that will build your blog. Each method has its own drawbacks, yet they all work. A blog is a popular technique to cultivate an audience. Building a following on Instagram or other social media platforms can potentially make you money through affiliate marketing. Along the way, you and your audience must create trust. Create useful material for your readers. Putting your audience first will help you gain a following. Solve their difficulties and tell them. Build an email list as you go. Not sure how? Begin with Jennifer Maker's email list building advice. One of your most powerful weapons when it comes to affiliate marketing will be your email list. Remember to keep sending emails that help your readers address their own problems. Build trust with your audience before going on to the next stage. Find products your audience will love. In affiliate marketing, you must locate things that your audience wants. In reality, promoting useless products may result in a loss of followers. Consider the audience's viewpoint. Let's say you like a healthy living blog and join its mailing list. You enjoy their healthy weight loss advice for a few weeks until you get an email promoting a fad diet and a link to buy the latest weight loss drug. Instead of buying the medicine, you'd probably delete the email and unsubscribe. In this case, the blogger would have lost followers and earned little money. If you uncover things that your audience genuinely likes, you will acquire trust, and they will be more willing to buy through your links. Your followers will benefit, and you will profit. Ultimately, you must advertise affiliate products that benefit your audience. Prepare to lose followers. Find affiliate programs. Once you have chosen products to advertise to your audience, you must obtain affiliate links. Fortunately, finding affiliate programs is easy. Affiliate marketplaces. Affiliate opportunities abound on affiliate marketplaces like ShareASale and ClickBank. Marketplaces make it simple to compare affiliate programs. You can locate affiliate programs for entire corporations or specific products to promote. Sign up for the marketplace and search for the program you want. Find a program that intrigues you and sign up immediately in the marketplace. Marketplaces provide convenient access to multiple affiliate programs. As your affiliate income grows, you may welcome having multiple affiliate links in one spot. Strategically place those affiliate links in your posts. It's time to show your audience your affiliate links. As you begin to use affiliate marketing to promote products, be mindful of your audience's perception. Remember that if your website appears to be merely wanting their money through an abundance of affiliate links, viewers will go elsewhere. Be genuine with your audience. Create quality content with affiliate links included when appropriate. Don't force a product on your audience that you don't believe in. That will only alienate your fans rather than earn you money. The greatest approach to succeeding in affiliate marketing is to consistently educate your audience. This will encourage your followers to use your affiliate links. Transparency. You must be transparent when placing affiliate links on your website or other platforms. Inform your viewers that you will receive a commission. Every follower should know that clicking on your links may result in a commission for you. Even a simple social media post must declare that the connection is an affiliate link. If you don't disclose this, you may be violating FTC requirements. The link takes you to a page explaining how this site selects and promotes affiliate items. Affiliate links on all websites should be disclosed. If you're unsure of what to include, consult a lawyer in your home state. Keep track of your earnings. Keep track of your affiliate revenue. It's easier at first because you're probably not making much. But when your affiliate marketing income grows, keeping track becomes increasingly challenging. You'll likely accumulate multiple affiliate links and programs with varying payment periods. Affiliate profits are taxable like all other income. Keep track of your affiliate revenue to avoid a difficult tax season. Organize your affiliate links. Organize your affiliate links in a spreadsheet or document. Add more affiliate links as this income stream grows. It can grow to a significant number of affiliate links. Create a system early to avoid stressing over finding your affiliate links in a sea of emails later. Slow payouts. Affiliate marketing programs are notoriously slow to pay out. Even if you make your first affiliate sale this month, it may take months for the funds to reach your bank account. Some programs only pay quarterly. Others will never pay before 90 days. The regulations of each affiliate scheme vary. But you will get paid. Remember, this is a gradual but possibly successful method of earning money. Affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Advice. If you're intimidated by affiliate marketing, consider taking a course. The best way to overcome your fear of starting is to educate yourself. Consider Michelle Schroeder Making Gardener's Sense of Affiliate Marketing course at Making Sense of Sense. Michelle is a huge affiliate marketing success. Her training teaches you how to make over $50,000 per month in affiliate marketing sales. Michelle covers everything from choosing the perfect affiliate product to increasing conversions and optimizing techniques. The training even provides disclosures for your blog. By avoiding certain typical traps, you may learn from this successful affiliate marketing blogger. As you pursue an affiliate marketing income, keep learning. Adapt your tactics and help your audience, so you can increase your income. Have you tried affiliate marketing? Let us know in the comment box below. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you.